So I'm about to show you how I used to do my makeup. I used to use this Toffee light color concealer under my eyes, and I would use it also as a highlighter, so kind of like that T-zone and right under the lip. And I would just blend, and just honestly, guys, this is just too much makeup, but figure I'd show you what I used to do, and you guys will see how I have changed my methods. So here is where I feel the lighting is doing my actual skin tone justice, and I'm going to use the Mineral Infused Face Primer by e.l.f. I think when you get a certain age, it's really good for you to start using primers for your skin to fill those large pores. This is the foundation I have been using for almost 4 years now. I love this foundation. It's actually a really good medium coverage, and it gives me the skin tone, like the even skin tone that I'm looking for. So this is me without concealer whatsoever. And I really do like this foundation because of the medium coverage. Now, I just found out about this Fit Me Loose Powder by Maybelline. I actually found it in my first competition, and I chose to use this to set the foundation, and it actually gives me a really nice, you know, color. So my goal when I do natural makeup really is to just look as natural as possible. So sometimes it doesn't hurt to use a little concealer, but instead of using concealer, I'm going to be using something different. Here's another pore filler by NYX. This is also really good. I like the way it smooths out the texture of my skin because sometimes I need it. And I'm going to use a color corrector by the Pro Concealer. It's in the orange corrector. It's the orange color because I usually have blue undertones when I have dark under eye circles and sometimes like dark spots along my face. So I'll only focus it in those areas. Use this little funny like silicone blending thing, which I like it so that you're not losing too much product. And I just blend my foundation over top of it. Use a sponge to kind of put the powder or set the powder in, and it's pretty much simple. So like I said, my goal is to look as natural as possible. Let me know which one of these looks do you like. Do you prefer without concealer or corrector? Or do you prefer to use just the corrector? I like the corrector only for when I'm going out. So other than that, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.